everyone, my name is Bella Im, teaching GRE issue writing and argument writing at the Gangnam Pagoda. Today, I'm going to talk about the two most frequent questions that I've got from my students. And I'm pretty sure it'll be helpful for you guys for GRE preparation. Okay, first of all, the most frequent question I've got is, can I use a first-person perspective in the academic writing, like GRE writing? Well, my answer to that question is yes, you can use it. Because it is asking your own perspective and your, just a personal opinion. So you can surely use I. As you know, in academic writing or, so your assignment or thesis, it is usually required to use third person perspective, like the author or this study or this research, those kind of things. But it is asking your personal opinion, so you can surely use I. So take a look at just an example given by ETS guideline. So you can see that. There is actually 6 scored one, and you can find it uses heaps of I, and here as well. So you can surely use it. But if you find that you are overly repeating the same words, just I, you can alternatively replace with different words, like my idea, or my thought, or from my own perspective, or my personal own evaluation on this issue. So you can make a use of it. Second question is, can I use a Korean example in my issue writing or academic writing? My answer to that question is actually depends on your writing. What I mean even though I already told you, it is asking your personal opinion on given topic. So you can develop the overall direction according to your thoughts. But it should be supported by reliable examples. We normally says it is more like a case of building. So it should be accepted by academia, like a journal article or a periodical journal like a New York Times and a Forbes and something like that. So it should be acceptable, and a universal and an authority, just an example. So take a look at the example. So you can see that is actually 6 scored example samples given by the ETS, and it shows the Big Bang cosmology and the Edwin Hubble and a Hooker telescope, and and that is Hubble. And the next one, you see that just Galileo and Charles Darwin's, and pyramids and Stonehenge. So as you can see, it is quite acceptable and easily understandable things. You get it? So that is all for today. And I hopefully it is quite helpful for your GRE issue writing preparation and further academic writing. Thank you for having today. Thank you.